One of the more cool parts of technology that's been introduced to Windows in the last few years is this term we like to call neat glass. And scientifically, it's a coating of titanium dioxide that's actually put on the outer surface of the window. It's an invisible coating. And what it does is it makes the surface of the glass super slippery. So if you think of what happens when water hits glass, if it didn't have a coating on it, the water typically will stick to the glass and form droplets. Over time, dust will stick to that droplet. And then when the water dries, you get water spots. That's basically how your windows get dirty. What this coating does is by making the glass super slippery, the water will just sheet off because it's vertical. And because there's no more water on the window, there's no dust for the water to stick to. And if there's no dust for the water to stick to, you don't get water spots. So the way the product works is just to reduce the frequency of how much dirt comes into contact with your window, so that the next time it rains or the next time you just hose your windows off, all that dirt and debris will shed off the glass. So we call it cleaner longer. A simple garden hose wash down once a year probably would be sufficient enough to keep your windows clean. There may be the odd time where there's a bit of extra buildup. That's not a perfect science, but it just helps in the effort of when less dirt comes into contact with your window, there's just less to clean up. Centra's been able to offer this as a standard upgrade to be included in all of our products that are supplied and installed in an existing home. So there's no question whether or not you have it or not. It's something that will come as a regular feature because we believe it is such a value to your windows and to your home.